Hi guys, I'm introducing you to this new product over here, the portable blood glucose meter. High and low readings, easy operation. Look at the design. Suitable for self-testing, only for use with BGM T1 test strips. In vitro diagnostic. And let's check here. This is the instructions on the box. Insert the test strip, blood collection, put blood on the test strip, adjust the mode and start the test, display test results. Okay, let's flip here. Blood sample, 256 test memories, intelligent diagnostics, 10 seconds to read data. The back here, let's check this out. Okay, it also includes the pen to poke on your fingers. Model features: detection range 1.1 to 33.3 mmol. Operation temperature 10 to 40 degrees Celsius. Testing time 10 seconds. Hematocrit rate, sample size, blood collection, and includes 2 times AAA batteries. Okay, so we're gonna open this and we're gonna test this out. Okay, let's open this box and test this out. And let's see what's inside. Okay, check out the design. What's this?
This is a Lancet pen.
This is the Lancet pen. Let's check that out. How to use it.
Put a Lancet inside. It's
And
jacked.
Oh,
Put your finger here, boop, and you'll have your blood.
okay. And how many test strips does it come with?
Comes with 25 Lancets. They look like these.
See, comes with 25 lancets to poke on the fingers, huh?
Yes, you load it into the pen. It's best to use a new Lancet every time you poke. It's more hygienic that
then
way.
you dispose it.
And you dispose of it. And it comes with 25 test strips.
25 test strips. It can only be used on this device.
Yes. Each device has its own kind of test strips.
Does it have expiry date over there?
Yes, manufactured 2024, expiring 2027.
Okay, good. Alright.
And this is the module.
Okay, let's check this out. This is the module. Okay.
Has batteries inside already.
Yeah, we put in the batteries already inside. It comes with batteries. Okay. Wow, check at that.
This is supposed to show, I think, your history if you've done it before. But, we're going to test it out just now.
Okay, so let's do this. Okay, let's test this.
I'm going to load the Lancet now.
So now it's in the evening, so you just ate
I just ate.
in the dinner, so we're just
Might be
testing this
high.
out, so it should be high.
Okay, with this one, you're going to twist.
But we should test this in the mornings only, after when we have an empty
It's
stomach.
called a fasting.
So you just twist the lid off.
So we're going to plug this Lancet in. Make sure it's nice and deep. Okay, it's holding it now.
What does it have, a pin tip there?
You basically load it like this.
Oh,
and then
but on the
it'll-
blue thing there's like a
Yes,
a
this is
sharp
what
needle.
You do. You twist, and then you pull it away. Oh, snap. Okay, maybe twist and pull it away first, and you can see that
see,
tiny,
slowly?
sharp needle.
Okay, we can see it. Okay.
Plug it back in. Okay. Loaded. Here's your blood. How deep you want it to cut.
How deep you want it to poke?
Yes.
So what do you use
Inject
mostly?
you.
Level which one?
I would recommend, say start from 0, maybe 1 and 2, maybe number 2 first. We'll try it just now.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna clean my hand with a wet wipe. Best to wash your hands rather. I like to use my thumb. That's where the most blood comes out. Okay. Nice and clean now. Let me prepare the machine. Take it out. Get one of these test strips.
The bottles are sealed,
Yes, they're sealed.
They were all sealed, so if it, yeah, all the material in this is all sealed. Let's check that out.
This is the part where you must insert, and there's where it collects the blood sample.
So you put the blood there.
Yes. Okay, we're going to start now. We're going to plug this in.
Machine on.
It will come on by itself. When it's showing the blood image icon there, it's ready. Okay, now I'm going to load it up.
Oh, when it shows that blinking blood.
Yes, it's ready to take the blood reading. Okay, now watch. I'm going to load it up.
Okay, guys, it's going to be, it won't be pretty. Okay, so it's loaded.
Okay, best to put it right in the middle of your thumb.
Okay, let's check this out. Brave girl doing this. Boom.
There was a tiny little bit of prick. I think it didn't go deep enough, I think.
So you must do level 3.
Let me just do level 5.
Okay, level 5.
Okay.
Oh, flip.
There was a bit more prick there. There we go.
Okay. Was it sore?
No, it's just a little prick.
Okay.
Now we're going to test it now. Watch closely as it's going to absorb that blood up. Okay, it's reading it. And I got 6.3, and this is just after I've eaten and drank some Powerade. So 6.3 I think is normal if you've just eaten. But if you have 6.3 in the morning after you fasted, it's a problem. Probably pre-diabetic.
So what is the level for the normal for blood sugar level?
I'm not sure.
Not sure.
I think it must be below 6 or something. But it must not
No,
be
it must
less
be,
than
I think it must
3.
be below 7, I think. Yes.
Yeah, best to research that before you...
Yeah, if it's above 7, then it's bad.
Then after you're done, pull it out. And you dispose of it. And you just press this back on to see if it shows. You see, this shows your last reading. It probably will show you more if you had more readings.
Wow. So yeah, it also includes an instruction manual in the box.
Instruction manual, yes. Yeah.
Okay, here's the instruction manual, guys. Shows you everything that we have done over here. So afterwards, just get a wet wipe and just wipe off the blood. So yeah, this is the product that we are selling. Yeah, you can give this guys a try. Very beautiful device over here. Okay guys, thanks guys for watching.